Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV. My name is Aproko. Yes, Martin Amidu resigned as the personal prosecutor of Nana Akufo, our president of Ghana. Hey, my people, this one's strong. This is very strong. Now, matters like this are they find. Make una relax because I go download them for now. As it happen now, this very person, his name na Martin Amidu, as una already know. For una wey no know, yes, na name be that. And him be personal prosecutor, na person wey all these people wey they fight corruption. This man, na no nonsense. If you dey talk about corruption, no even try am. Na no nonsense man. He know they take nonsense when it comes to all this dirty work. In hand clean. And now, for a very long time, this man don't they do his own work. They fight against corruption. They give speech. All those plenty things. They do on his own until our president Akufo come hire him. Say make him come work for him as personal prosecutor against corruption for Ghana. Now, this man start the this work. You know what's the funny before this matter? Because when he started this work for 2018, critical agencies, they refused to produce public record. That was 2018. Oh, they refused to produce public record regarding issues of corruption. And now, he say, he go ask people for information. They said they don't get information. He go ask people for dockets. They said no docket. He go come ask the ministers for record. They go tell us, say, no record available. The man say, you don't understand. Say, none of those things can be produced. I beg my people, my question before I enter deep inside this matter, imagine, say, they employ you, and people who suppose work with you, they know they give you, they know they support you. How you want work? Because now the same question where they ask concerning this case. How they expect this man make he fight this fight, make he fight against corruption? How they expect him make he doing work when the necessary things where he need to work this work, they know if he find them. And the people who supposed support them, they know they coordinate with them. How they expect them to do this? See, another matter. According to news, my people, this gist reach me well. President Akufo go they do some kind things behind the scene where nobody know. If this man won't take action like this, they go tell us say make he leave him. Why? If now other people matter, they fear allow him. Anybody where they connected to President Akufo, if this man won't take action like this, they go tell us say make he leave him. Say make he wait small. Meanwhile, other people matter, they know they wait. Which kind government be this? Now so the man vex. Because yes, it's not the same thing with you being useless. Because you just day office, you know they work. You know they work. So the man tired. The man say, okay, fine. Since it can't be like say me being here, he dey useless. Make a kukuma what? Resign. And so the man can't type in resignation letter. Now he dey for screen like that. When I feel a reader, but that's if you want to see him. He type in resignation letter. Bam. This man too dey straightforward. Now what I like about this man, because he no get time for all this. This not my person. This no be my person. If they give him back to back, now so he go to drop him. If you try nonsense, you don't finish. You be that. So na person like that this country need, and una don't see him because of people like this. They don't want make people like this they in power. And now people like this we need. Because if people like this enter seat, just imagine how this country will change. Yes, because all these politicians, people where they in seats now, if they come before camera, now so they go, they talk, sweet talk, you go feel say na angels. Behind the camera, they be something else. Now don't they say now so they go, they expose them one by one. And this by resignation letter now, it no go affect the office. So it no go affect the office. It go affect the fight for corruption. Now this my resignation letter will affect, because now everything will go back to normal. As usual. Because they don't used to that corrupt life, corrupt government, corrupt ruling. Yes. No wonder. Because President Akufo na head of ECOWAS. No wonder when this NSAS matter happen, I don't dey think calm. I say, this man, you be the head of this thing. So you suppose don't voice out from day one. This man no talk. See, when he tire, when he see say people don't they blast him, because even celebrities come outside, come they blast him. Now that time this man come outside, no wonder. Because in dey inside all these corrupt things. Ah! Ghana. I give una hand. I beg my brother, I support you as you have resigned. Don't worry, better things will come your way. But the thing where they fear now be say this man, they feel send me they kill him. I be waiting una think. Yes, because now as you don't expose them, na serious matter they come. But make una no worry. After na here I go still bring una any news say happen again. Hello, my beautiful viewers. You are welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV, where we bring you all the latest gist. As I tell you now, before anytime when you dey bored, when you don't know what to watch, hey, just dial on this very station. You understand? Yes, I bring una matter way hot. Regina Daniels. I dey very sure say most of una don't hear about Regina Daniels. Yes, I don't bring the matter come una house today. And for una we don't know, Regina Daniels na actress and film producer. They born her for 2000. Hey, the girl young go. And she started act movies when she did 7 years. Chai! Some people good, sha. And the man we marry am now na Ned Nwoko. Some of una know am, some of una no know am. For una we no know am, na lawyer, politician, and humanitarian. Yes, and he's married to Regina Daniels. This very same man has 5 wives. Wow. Money they talk. He has 5 wives. Now he has made Regina Daniels. See, life is sweet, but no be this kind of life, sha. I just a joke. My people, matter where I bring for now today, be say, as e dey hot, it be like say this man Ned Nwoko go soon give person another wedding ceremony, because we don't dey see rings for person finger, different rings. People just dey flaunt. Hey, this very see, I don't understand, because for the I bet put picture, make these people they see what they talk about, make we flow together. You see the picture. Una fit see say it is very clear that Regina hand be that. She hold the other lady hand and adeola lady wear the ring. But I don't understand why, because anyway, some people they okay to share. Because me I no feel they happy say my man they go marry another person, and she they very happy, she they excited. You just see her they laugh. She even write now her post. She write wifey. And be say she don't ready, she don't they welcome the woman. You understand? It gets something way catch my attention. You understand? Where they talk saying be humanitarian. And because of that, I just go learn some things. Because humanitarian, to my own understanding, be say you they help people for their needs without discrimination. And I go to say I don't come again. Because now this man title can't they relate with his wives. And una way they just they jump body, jump inside. Now him be this. Him be women humanitarian. Yes, una know before, na this one just title where person go school go get. Now lie. Women humanitarian, because he first get one, second one, third one, fourth one. He just they help them. Because now waiting humanitarian mean you they help people without discrimination. Yes, so they help them. Another one will soon enter, and after that one, another one will soon enter. All of them, so I go just they line up. This one too now will soon go join queue, and they go see, and she go take auto. Yes, una we never know. Regina Daniels go do wedding. They give her one thing to drink, and that thing, you go first swear, say you go never meet any man. And the only thing we feel break that thing, now unless this man die. So as it be like this, Regina Daniels no fit try anything. If not, she go just die. Which kind of bondage una just the carry una save they enter? Women, una know they hear what? Anytime, any place where woman hear money, their body no they rest. They just want to enter. They don't care. Una suppose wise, oh, wise. See how this one now, she don't happy because they bring another wife. All of them don't turn committee of wives in one man house. Now money they cost all this thing. Money. I dey sure say even many of una wey dey watch me now, if that man can't give una chance, I don't talk anything na joke, I just a joke. And people like the matter, oh, Regina Daniels now don't welcome the last wife. Okay, not last. Another one go surely dey. I dey very sure. So I want to know una opinion for this matter. Wetin una think? Una think say Ned go marry that woman? Abi una think say na just flirting wey dey flirt? Because even this girl matter even been dey inside Chika Ike, where they say she, you know, she and Ned get something. But that one wise, if you ask me. Yes, she wise. Because, see, old man like that, you know, see, you go enter bondage if you marry her. So she take as many money as she can take. She take them, she save them, she buy car, she do this. She wise. Why you go marry person like that? And even they even talk say, as it be like this, if they possible say she no go even get second child. Because the man don't old. Anything fit happen at any time. Oh, my people, I bet no time. I want to know an opinion for this matter. What do you think? May this man marry this lady? I be making marriage and then it be the last one. Even though if you ask me, I go tell you say it's not possible because this man a womanizer. You know they use eye, see skirt. And I noticed something. He gets something for fair ladies. Anything fair, he go just want enter. Now wait till I notice. So my people, I want to know an opinion. Drop am for the comment section. And don't forget, share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen for this show. Now me again, Irene Perico. No go far because I will soon come back. See you later.